photo box from Beebeecraft that I got. And I'm going to open it up. Sorry for the wrinkling of the paper, but there's no other way to do it. But I'll do it quick. Ready? Oh, that didn't work, did it? It comes in this nice bag. Ooh, a reusable bag. Hey, we like those, don't we? Okay, pull it out. Oh, it's got colors. Let's see their instructions. Okay, nothing in the bag. Nope, nothing in the bag. Okay, we're on our own. Got different colors. Oh, it's a fold-up pop-up box. Oh, that's cool. And it already has a light in it. Oh, okay, so it's self-explanatory. All right, pop that there. Oh, nope. Got these little holes right here. Hey, look, bonus. We don't throw anything away, do we, crafters? And then you snap it together there. Do the same on this side. Oh, there's another circle. We can use those for eyeballs and something, can't we? We always use things like that. And then snap it together there. And it's got LED lights right there. That's pretty cool. And you can open this to take a picture straight down, or you can take the picture in like that, like you normally do, which I'm getting ready to use this, which you'll see the pictures in my bottle video. Okay, let's hang on just a minute. Let me get this cord plugged in and I'll be right back to show you. Okay, I got it plugged in. Avert your eyes if you don't like bright lights. Oh yeah, that's really bright. Oh, look at that. That's great. Okay, I'm going to turn it off. It's got two light panels up on the top, two LED light panels. That's pretty cool. All right, and to hook your foam in there that it came with, there's these two little doohickeys back here. And you hook your foam over the top of those. There are instructions on Beebeecraft, but this is pretty self-explanatory. I'm sure there's instructions. I haven't looked, but I will. And the product number will be running across here, and you just go right here to beebeecraft.com, and if you go down below and follow my link and use my code, you get 10% off. Okay, now that's how you do it, and you take pictures inside. Let me turn that light on so you can see how bright that would be in there. Oh, look at that. And this is the bottle that I'll be taking pictures of, so we can put that in there. Ooh, that's kind of pretty. Look at that. Yeah. But if you do it this way, you don't get the glare. Oh, that's perfect. You don't get the glare of the lights on your item if it's glass or shiny. But there you go. It was that simple. And the whole thing, let me show you how it folds down really easy. You can leave that piece in there. You just unplug the cord. When you're done with it, you should turn it off first. And then unsnap. Fold that down. Fold the pieces in. The circle part goes on the outside, and it goes right back in the bag for storage. Okay. And there we go. Undo the cord, put it in there, but I'm fixing to use it, so I'm going to leave the cord. That is pretty cool. That is a really good box. So, if you need a light box, go to Beebeecraft. This is the item number right up here, scrolling across the screen. And down below, you will see the, oh, let me turn my lights back on. You will see the link if you go down in the description box. And it does help me out. This is a paid promotion because they did let me pick these out, and I needed this for photographs. So, go to beebeecraft.com and let them know that Lady April over here at Dragons and Dresses sent you, and use the code DRAGONS10 down below. Get you 10% off. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.